today, our common barn owl, Lily.
Mooi guarda. Ik doe me wennen. Voorbaan. Zo wel. Wennen.
Ever heard of the wise old elf? You're looking right at it. Lily, excuse me. Lily. Yes, that would be me. You're looking at me. Reveal yourself, maybe so. Oh wow, look at that. It's going to attach to the bird. Yes? Fly? Red Bull gives you wings. There's nothing about flying. Alright, never mind. Inform me if you just kindly take a walk around the front. Alright, so the first thing that okay. Well, he woke up. Finally decided to wake up. Alright, so the first thing that I would like to tell you about with your owls, if you look at the eyes, you'll notice the eyes are...
Kijk, ze schrik.
I'm so good at my job, I'll just take myself home. Okay, well anyways, before we get to the easy part of the job, I'll just stand here and chat to you, shall I? Your owls. When little Lily over there decides to come a little bit closer to you, I want you just to have a look at Lily's eyes. The first thing you will notice is that the eyes are forward facing, and that on any bird or any animal for that matter tells you straight away that they are hunters by nature. Their eyes are sadly fixed into position, which means that they are unable to move their eyes. Excuse me. Oh dear, another bird will sail after the show. Lily, this is not your conscience, it's actually me, your trainer. That's the backstop. It's been there for 24 years. Fascinating, isn't it? Oh my word. What are we going to do with Lily today? Okay, well, never mind. So their eyes, like I said, are fixed into position, which means that they can't move their eyes around the way we can. In darkness, by the light of just one candle, they are quite capable of spotting their food moving around at up to approximately 2 kilometers away from themselves.